Lesson 7.2 Practice Challenge. It's similar, except we have letters A to Z written on index cards, mixed up and put face down. So describe the sample space. Well, it's going to be the whole alphabet. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. I do find it helpful to actually write it out in order to answer some of the questions, because then you can kind of like look at the sample space and kind of like count and figure out the probability a little bit easier. So which events below represent situations with non-uniform probability? That is the same as our other questions. Show your work, select all that apply. So select a letter that is a vowel and selecting a letter that is a consonant. So which ones are vowels? I'm actually going to switch this to vowels. We have A, E, I, O, and U, and if you include Y, I would accept that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6. So the probability would be 5, and if you know that there are 26 letters in the alphabet, so it'd be 5 out of 26, or you could say 6 out of 26. But what about a consonant? Well, that would be all of the other ones, so it's either 21 out of 26, or you could say 20 out of 26 consonants. No matter if you use the Y or not, we can see that this probability is not going to be the same, so it is non-uniform. What about selecting A and selecting Z? Well, there is one A, so A, there is 1 out of 26 probability. What about selecting a Z, or Z as we say in Canada? The Z, there's only one of them, so it's 1 out of 26, and this is a uniform probability. It has the same probability of choosing an A or a Z. C, selecting a letter before M and selecting a letter after N. Now this one's a little bit trickier. I'm going to have to use a highlighter here. So where's M and N here? So selecting a letter, it says before M. It doesn't say including M. So I'm not going to include M or N. So I'm going to count how many before M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 out of 26 before M. And what about after N? Let's do yellow. So after N would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 out of 26 that are after the letter N. So this is actually equal, or it's a uniform probability. You have this equal chance of choosing a letter before M as choosing a letter after N. Even if you ended up including M and N in it, then you'd get like 13 out of 26 and 13 out of 26, which is not correct, but even if you did it that way, we would still get uniform probability. So the only one of these that is non-uniform is A.